Hello, thanks for dropping in. I'm going to do a second version of this video real quick. If you go to TPUG.CA, TPUG.CA, you will find a link to the TPUG monthly meeting. And this month, which is April of 2023, and the date will be the 20th, one of Jack Tramiel's sons, Leonard, is coming virtually to speak. He will be interviewed, and then I believe there will be time for questions and answers. So, if you want to hear what's up, and probably some history and maybe some new things, I don't know, join us on Zoom. For details, go to TPUG.CA, TPUG.CA. TPUG, of course, stands for Toronto Pet Users Group. It has been operating since the late 1970s, and it continues to operate now. So this is, of course, a picture or an artistic impression of Jack Tramiel on the cover of the Tour Pet, which used to be the magazine for the Toronto Pet Users Group. Thus the name, Tour Pet. So, that's all I have to say about that. See you online. I expect to be there. Oh, it's at 7:30 p.m. Thursday, April the 20th, 2023, 7:30 p.m. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.